Here's how to delete your Snapchat account. Kindly help me achieve 1,000 subscribers as we get started. Open Snapchat. Go to your profile page. Tap on Settings. Go to Support and tap I need help. Type delete my account. Tap here. Tap on Snapchat account portal. Log into your account. Tap on delete my account. Type your Snapchat password. Tap continue. Your Snapchat account will be deactivated soon. If you've linked your email, you'll get a confirmation. Remember, your account will be deleted in 30 days, but you can reactivate it anytime before then by just logging back in. If this video helped you, kindly like it and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.